Hello guys, in this tutorial I'm going to show you guys how to add your tax information on your Facebook page or account. So if it's the first time visiting our channel, don't forget to like, subscribe, share and hit the notification bell in order not to miss videos like this. So let's begin. So the first thing is that you simply need to open your Facebook page or account. Once you're there, you click on what? Professional dashboard. After which you are going to see add your tax info to get paid. You click on it. So once you're here, you simply click on add tax info. So after that, you simply need to insert your tax classification. So individual. So the second step is that if you're a US citizen or if you're not a US citizen, you simply need to click on what? No. So make sure you get that out. And the text one is that if you're an intermediate agent or someone receiving payment on the behalf of another person, simply need to click on yes. So I'm going to click on what? No. After which I'll click on what? Next. So guys, once you're here, you simply need to insert your full name. After which you simply need to insert your country. So after that, you simply need to insert your what? Your seat number. That is your taxpayer identification number. So for Canadians or any other country, you can simply insert your seat number here, as you can see. But if you're in the US, you simply need to insert your what? Your seat number or your ITIN number here. So I'm going to leave it like that since I'm not from the US. After which I'll click on what's next. So once you get here, you simply need to insert your address beginning with your country. So I'm going to click on what? Next. So I'm going to set up my mailing address will be the same as my permanent address, as you can see. But if you want it should be something different, you simply need to insert it. You fill this box, so I'll leave it like that. So after which I'll click on what's next. So I'm going to insert my country, claiming this benefit, Canada. So I'm eligible for that. So after which I'm going to click on what's next. So once you're here, you simply need to what? You scroll down. After that, you simply need to sign. You simply need to insert your full name. So after which you click on what? Next. So guys, after that, you're going to see tax information. So we simply need to what? To review this. You make sure you check everything. After which you simply click on what? Submit form. So guys, that is your tax profile. As you can see, these are your various information. After which you click on what? Done. Once you're done with submitting your form. So guys, we just successfully added our tax info on our Facebook page or account. Thank you guys for watching. Don't forget to leave your comments in the comment section below. If you face any difficulty doing this, we love you all. See you in our next tutorial. Peace out.